Now we apply this formula which derived in this example for 3/2. So A we have K max equals to Q square B square R square over 2m, and this is a mass of alpha particle. Now first the charge, we know this alpha particle have this two proton and two neutron. So we have 2 multiplied with the E, and the magnetic field is 1.7. The radius is 0.25 square over 2m. This is the mass of the alpha particle. So this is a 4 multiply with the mass of this proton, 1.67, 10 to the negative 27. Now of course in this case we will assume the mass of a neutron is approximate the mass of a proton. From here I get this is a 1.384, 10 to the negative 12 joule. Convert to this mega electron volt. This is the answer. Now from here we know the kinetic energy also equals to 1 over 2mv squared. So we have 8.68 equals to 1 over 2, and we have a 4 mass of this 4 mass of a proton. So now here will be more convenience to use the mass of a proton in the MeV per c squared. So this is a 938.3 over the c squared. C is 3.010 to the 8 square, and we can solve for this V. Now here is just the mass of a proton in MeV chassis. Now you can see this MeV can be cancelled with this MeV, so we can directly find out the V. I get this V is equals to 2.04 10 to the 7 meter per second. Now the same thing with B. B we have one proton and one neutron. So K max will just equals to, here only one proton, so 1.6, 10 to the negative 19 square, and this is 1.7 square. this is a 0.25 square over this 2 and 2 multiply with this is the mass number. We have 1.1 newton, so the total is 2 multiply with the mass of the photon. Here I get is 6.922 10 to the, and this is joule equals to 4.33 MeV. Now to solve for the velocity again, we use the same formula as this 1 over mv squared. So we have 4.33 equals to 1 over 2, and now this is just 2, we have only 1 proton and 1 neutron, and the rest is the same, 938.3 over 3 10 to the power 8 square. Again, we solve for the V. Here again, I get this is 2.04 and 10 to the 7 meter per second. Now we apply this formula for the case C want us to find out this frequency. So C CF equals to QB over 2 pi m. Now let's say for this case A we have the four we have this two positive charge, two of this charge of the proton, and we have the same magnetic field, and 2 pi, the mass is the 4 mass of the proton. Now you can see here this thing will be simplified as EB over 4 pi mp, and now consider the case for the FD. This is equals to EB, we have only one proton over the 2 pi, and this is 2 mass of the proton. So you can see here, actually we get the same result. So this is equals to FA. Now we just have to solve for any one of this. This is the B is 1.7 over 4 pi, the mass of the mass of this the proton. This is 1.67 10 to the negative 27. So I guess this is 1.296 10 to the 7 Hz.